Here's how to edit footer in WordPress. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, open your WordPress dashboard and then scroll down. You will see here an option of Appearance, which is on the left side of the screen. Next, you have to click on it and then click on Widgets button. Next window will look like this. Here, you have to click on Plus button. After this, click on Paragraph button, and here you can write whatever you want. But make sure your text should remain short and attractive instead of large text. Then again, click on Plus button and then search for social media icon, then select it, and you can also change the settings of the social media icon. So here you can see your social media icon. Now click on it and paste link of your social media accounts one by one. And after doing all of your setting, click on Update button, which is on the upper bar of the screen. So in this way, you can edit footer in WordPress.